Hey everyone, you are watching Travel Veda, and today we are moving towards a place called Wei Sawdong Falls in Meghalaya. Well, there is a little bit twist in our travel today. First of all, I am driving, I am not going through my bike, and secondly, there is a surprise guest with us today, and I guess you will find that person very frequently from next time. So here we are. Well, she is my fiance, and very soon things are going to be very different.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
We have started to trek, or you can say better say as hiking. You can see the places we just came through, and we heard in the blogs and all that the roads ahead are very tough, and we need to really have a good foot to climb it down.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
Well, that's all from Wei Sawdong. Keep watching Travel Veda, and if you like this video, do like and subscribe.